Ferrari Elettrica is not just a new model, it is a historic turning point for Maranello. Revealed on October 9, 2025, during Ferrari's Capital Markets Day, this is the first fully electric production car in the history of the prancing horse, a milestone that sits alongside Ferrari's legendary moments, yet one built on decades of quiet preparation, relentless research, and an uncompromising belief that electrification must never dilute performance, emotion, or identity. Ferrari calls this car the result of a radically new approach. Every major component has been developed and manufactured in-house, staying true to the brand's engineering philosophy and artisanal traditions. From the chassis to the electric axles, from the battery to the inverters, Ferrari Elettrica is designed to deliver the same sense of uniqueness and driving pleasure that defines every Ferrari, regardless of powertrain. This journey did not begin recently. Ferrari's electrification story traces back to Formula One in 2009, when hybrid systems were first explored at the highest level of motorsport. That knowledge flowed into the 599 high-curse prototype, the LaFerrari, the SF90 Stradale, the 296 GTB, and more recently the 849 Testarossa. Each step built experience, discipline, and confidence. Ferrari's strategy was clear from the start. An electric Ferrari would only exist when technology could support authentic Ferrari performance. That moment has now arrived. The architecture of Ferrari Elettrica is engineered for dynamics above all else. Short overhangs, a driving position close to the front axle, and a battery fully integrated into the floor pan define its proportions. 85% of the battery modules are positioned as low as possible, lowering the center of gravity by 80 millimeters compared to an equivalent internal combustion Ferrari. The result is agility, stability, and precision that feel unmistakably Ferrari. For the first time in the company's history, Ferrari has introduced a separate elasticized rear subframe. This solution reduces noise and vibration while preserving the stiffness required for sharp handling. Combined with the third generation of Ferrari's 48-volt active suspension system, the Elettrica delivers exceptional body control and comfort, distributing cornering forces optimally across all four wheels. Power comes from two fully independent electric axles, each developed entirely in-house. Every axle features a pair of permanent magnet synchronous motors using motorsport-derived Halbach array rotors. The front axle produces up to 210 kilowatts and can be completely decoupled at any speed to maximize efficiency. Under full acceleration, it can deliver up to 3,500 Newton-meters of torque to the wheels. The rear axle is even more formidable, delivering up to 620 kilowatts and transferring as much as 8,000 Newton-meters of torque in performance launch mode. Together, the four-motor configuration enables advanced torque vectoring, giving Ferrari engineers unprecedented control over vehicle behavior in every driving condition. At the heart of the system is a battery designed and assembled entirely in Maranello. With an energy density approaching 195 watt-hours per kilogram, it sets a new benchmark for electric vehicles. The battery is not a separate block, but a structural element integrated into the chassis itself. Once mounted, it contributes directly to body shell stiffness, improving dynamics while reducing weight. The battery architecture also prioritizes safety and serviceability. Cells are positioned away from impact zones, protected by energy-absorbing structures in the chassis. Cooling plates are integrated into the aluminum shell, maintaining uniform temperature and long-term durability. Despite the extreme integration, the battery remains removable and repairable, ensuring longevity in line with Ferrari's philosophy of building cars meant to last. Control over this complex system is managed by a vehicle control unit that updates dynamic parameters 200 times per second. Suspension, steering, traction, and power delivery are constantly predicted and adjusted, ensuring unparalleled responsiveness. Ferrari's engineers describe the result as instant yet progressive, powerful yet intuitive. Drivers can choose between range, tour, and performance modes, shaping how energy and power are delivered. Behind the steering wheel, paddles allow selection of 5 progressive torque levels, creating a sensation of rising acceleration that mirrors the emotional buildup traditionally associated with combustion engines. Braking paddles replicate engine braking effects, adding engagement even when decelerating. And then there is the sound. Ferrari refused to artificially imitate an internal combustion engine. Instead, the Elettrica produces an authentic voice derived directly from its electric components. A high-precision accelerometer mounted on the rear axle captures vibrations from the powertrain, which are amplified to provide functional, emotional feedback. In normal driving, the car remains quiet and refined. Under acceleration or manual paddle input, the sound comes alive, creating a dialogue between driver and machine. The inverters represent another leap forward. Integrated directly into the axles, they use silicon carbide technology to manage power with extreme precision. Advanced strategies like torque toggling improve efficiency at highway speeds without compromising performance, adding real-world range while preserving responsiveness. Noise cancellation algorithms further refine acoustic comfort, eliminating unwanted harmonics. Active suspension completes the dynamic picture. Lower center of gravity allows reduced active forces, enabling a new balance between comfort and control. Each wheel module independently manages vertical forces, working in harmony with four-wheel steering and the four-motor drivetrain. This makes Ferrari Elettrica the first Ferrari capable of controlling vertical, lateral, and longitudinal forces simultaneously in every condition. Even sustainability has been approached with Ferrari's signature rigor. 75% recycled aluminum is used for the chassis and body shell, cutting 6.7 tons of carbon dioxide per car. 1/3 of the vehicle uses secondary raw materials. Over its life cycle, Ferrari estimates a 34% reduction in carbon footprint compared to its predecessor, without sacrificing performance or craftsmanship. The story is not finished. Early 2026 will bring the first interior design previews, and in spring, the world premiere will fully reveal Ferrari Elettrica's final form. What is clear already is this: Ferrari Elettrica is not a compromise, not an experiment, and not a departure from tradition. It is Ferrari's definition of what electric performance should be, written in aluminum, electricity, and emotion.